Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Plug in your mic and confirm it appears in your device settings. Once connected, open your recording app and set sample rate to 44. 1 or 48 kHz and 24-bit depth for headroom. Make sure gain is low to start. You will increase it after a test. Position the mic 6-12 inches from your mouth, slightly off-axis to reduce plosives. Start a short test take, so you can monitor levels and adjust before the real take. Now record with intent. Wear closed-back headphones and monitor live to catch clipping or background noise. Speak to the mic consistently. Keep mouth distance steady and use a pop filter to control plosives. Make sure peaks sit around -12 to -6 dB so you retain dynamic range. If latency distracts you, enable direct monitoring. Record in short segments or phrases and label each take so you can quickly find the best performances during editing. To finish, listen through and trim silences or breaths, then apply light compression or normalization to balance levels. Export a lossless WAV for archiving and create an MP3 at 192 to 320 kbps for sharing. Make sure file names include date and version for easy tracking. If you hear hiss or interference, try noise reduction first. If it persists, move to a quieter room, change cable or mic, and run another test. Most issues are environmental or connection related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.